Hi, this is Homes Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the realm of PC enthusiasts' dreams, the best full-size PC cases. From sleek designs to robust cooling options, we'll explore the top contenders in this essential component for building your ultimate rig. Stay tuned for expert insights and detailed reviews to help you make the perfect choice for your setup. Let's dive in. Number 1. NZXT's H5 Flow Compact ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case in striking white is a breath of fresh air for your gaming setup. Boasting a perforated front and tempered glass side panel, it's a visual marvel that doesn't compromise on performance. With its high airflow design and included 120mm fans, heat dissipation is a breeze, ensuring your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. The thoughtfully crafted cable management system keeps your build tidy and enhances airflow further. Plus, with support for a 280mm radiator, you have ample room for liquid cooling solutions. Elevate your gaming experience with the NZXT H5 Flow, where style meets substance and airflow reigns supreme. Number 2. Corsair has truly outdone themselves with the ICUE 4000X RGB mid-tower PC case. With its sleek design, tempered glass panel, and vibrant RGB lighting, it's an absolute showstopper. But what sets it apart is its exceptional airflow capabilities. Equipped with 3 SP120 RGB Elite fans and a high airflow layout, this case keeps your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. The ICUE Lighting Node Core Controller allows for easy customization of the RGB lighting to match your setup perfectly. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a PC enthusiast, the Corsair ICUE 4000X RGB is the perfect choice for those who demand both style and performance from their PC case. Say goodbye to overheating woes and hello to a cooler, more stylish gaming experience. Number 3. Cooler Master's Masterbox TD500 Mesh White is a powerhouse for airflow enthusiasts. Its polygonal mesh front panel not only adds a futuristic flair but also maximizes airflow for peak performance. The crystalline tempered glass side panel showcases your rig in all its glory, while its EATX support ensures compatibility with high-end components. Equipped with 3 120mm RGB lighting fans, this case doesn't just keep your system cool, it does it in style. Say goodbye to overheating headaches and hello to uninterrupted gaming sessions or intense workloads. With its sleek design and unparalleled airflow capabilities, the Masterbox TD500 Mesh White is a must-have for any PC enthusiast looking to elevate their build to the next level. Number 4. Asus TUF Gaming GT301 Mid-Tower Compact Case, a powerhouse in PC aesthetics and performance. With its sleek honeycomb front panel, this case not only looks striking but also ensures optimal airflow for your rig's components. Equipped with 2 120mm Aura addressable RGB fans, your setup will dazzle with customizable lighting effects. The thoughtful addition of a headphone hanger keeps your gaming space organized, while support for a 360mm radiator means your system can stay cool under pressure. With 2x USB 3.2 ports, connectivity is seamless. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a PC enthusiast, the Asus TUF Gaming GT301 is a must-have for those who demand both style and substance in their builds. Elevate your gaming experience with this powerhouse of a case. Number 5. Lianli's High Airflow ATX Mid-Tower PC Case is a game-changer for airflow enthusiasts. Sleek design meets functionality with its RGB fans and tempered glass side panel, making your rig a spectacle to behold. The addition of a USB Type-C port ensures seamless connectivity for modern peripherals. Say goodbye to overheating woes as this case prioritizes airflow, keeping your components cool under pressure. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a content creator pushing your system to the limit, this case has got your back. Elevate your PC build to new heights with Lianli's masterpiece of engineering. It's not just a case, it's a statement. In conclusion, selecting the best full-size PC case involves considering various factors such as design, airflow, and compatibility. Whether you prioritize aesthetics, functionality, or both, there's a case out there that suits your needs. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights to assist you in making the right choice for your setup. Thanks for watching.